Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide open window icons in the Windows 11 taskbar using a custom hotkey. I'll also discuss how to easily restore those icons when you need them back. With my method, you will be able to hide almost all window icons from the taskbar. So let's get started. To hide the icons in the taskbar, I am going to use a simple AutoHotkey script. The example provided in the AutoHotkey help file does exactly that. This script will enable you to efficiently hide the icons with just a hotkey, making it easy to keep your workspace tidy. I use the second script for this purpose. Simply press the icon to download the script to your hard drive. To run the script, you'll need AutoHotkey installed on your computer. First, go to the AutoHotkey main page, download the software, and then install it. Once you have AutoHotkey set up, you'll be ready to execute the script and start hiding your taskbar icons. Before running the script, let's add a hotkey. It's quite simple. Just open the script in any text editor. I've already done that to save us some time, and I've chosen Alt+H for the hotkey. To run the script, simply double-click on it. Now, with a window selected, press the hotkey Alt+H. As you can see, the window icon is hidden for 3 seconds, which is defined in the script. If you want to hide the icon for a longer duration, you can change the value to 10,000, which will hide the icon for 10 seconds. It's as simple as that. Now, save the script and run it again. After saving, double-click the script to activate it. You'll be all set to use the hotkey Alt+H to hide your taskbar icons for the duration you specified. So that's basically it for today. If you would like to have the script from the intro to toggle the icon visibility on and off, just like in the video, I might post the script in the video description for you. Thank you for your support, enjoy customizing your taskbar, and have a great day.